But y'all were able to tell from the title, I didn't even get to explain that well. Today we're going to be cleaning out our fridge, and it hasn't been cleaned out for 2 years. What's good, YouTube? We're back with another banger of a video! Yes, sir! Alright, we don't got no energy for that. It's already late at night.
Yeah, just the intro.
That's energy. That's energy we're getting. Yeah. That's all y'all gonna get. Nah, but we're back with another video. We're here with good old Betsy. This is the first fridge we got when we first moved in, and we're dudes, so y'all can't judge us too bad. Y'all can't judge us too bad. Like think about it. We're college kids. We're men. We live on our own. So whatever you're about to see, like.
Chill. I can't be saying too much. I know your ass would be just as dirty.
Yeah. Alright, so we start off with the top shelf. We got a tomato. It has a little bit of mold. Oh god damn. It has a little bit of mold. That's okay. Alright, so this is what we're starting off with, trash. Here we go. We got trash right here.
So how much you want? Alright, let's go quick look. Alright,
Are you serious right now, bro? What the fuck?
Come on with it. Oh, we gotta watch this instantly.
this shit done expired like months ago.
Alright, we're moving on from that. Oh fuck, you're gonna. God damn, that shit stink!
That shit done the sink.
Oh my lord! Holy shit! That shit coming out gulpy. Gulp. Bro, that shit stink like I don't think this barbecue sauce is expired.
Kids, don't ever let your fridge ever get this dirty. Please clean up after yourself. But this just came out from the milk right now.
Bro, we got cheese.
Alright, let's go ahead.
Done. Oh fuck!
Wait.
Oh my god, this shit stinks like fucking ass. We're gonna have to blur all of that out. You can't even see that much, but it just stinks.
Oh my god, it smells bad.
Oh, you can smell it right through the phone. Oh, damn. Oh, we is. Oh fuck,
We is
that
done.
shit smells.
Oh my god, it's over for us.
All right, and now we got strawberry jam. So far, we've only done the top side, and we're already what? 4 for 7. 4 for 7.
The only thing we got that ain't expired
Is barbecue sauce. I got some of the government cheese, yes sir. I mean government butter.
Hey.
God yeah. Hold on. This ain't no butter.
I can't believe it's not butter. Bro, this is not broccoli. This is a whole extraterrestrial fucking vegetable.
Does it have mold on
It
it?
got green, yellow. No, don't touch that, bro.
Alright, let's go straight to the trash.
This is what the Green Goblin be snacking on, bro. That's what you be doing.
Alright, this is trash. It's a little wake up video. Oh, that shit got puss. That shit got puss. We got ourselves another fucking break here. Oh my god, it stinks.
December 8th, 2022.
Hey, that's not that long ago. Oh my god! Oh! I can smell that shit. I got some on my finger. Wash your hand. I got the cheese touch.
Worcestershire sauce.
Which expired.
Fancy only over here, type shit.
Which expired in 2019.
Oh, no, hold on. They expired 2019. I bought this last year. Smart and final. You and me gonna have a problem.
Hold on. Actually, now that we're done with the door, let's move up top. Let's move up top. I'm proud of us. All right, we got some Tostinos. You know Tostinos don't go bad that quickly. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, when does this expire? Damn. All right, so it turns out these went bad 2021. And these take like at least a year or two to expire.
August 26, 2021. Dog.
Damn.
I want to say damn.
And we got his twin brother, August 26, 2021. I feel so. Hold on. First of all, I just want to take a quick pause. This is all good food getting thrown away. Don't be like us. Use your food. We were raised correctly. There's us just fucking up. We were raised to always eat our food, always throw it away, always eat everything and try to spread it out as much as we can. Because there are people going through far worse situations, and you don't want to be those people, those snobby people that are just eating and like just throwing away their plates half full. Don't be like that. Don't be like us. Be better. Be better. Let's keep taking a look.
Alright, expired. Alright, don't say.
We got mad packs of Eggos. Mad packs of Eggos. That's not even it. Hold them. Hold them. Let's count the stacks. Hold them. Count the stacks. Big bank, take little bank. Big bank, take little bank. Boom.
You got more?
Mad stacks of Lego, my Eggos. Alright, we're ready to finish part 2 of this cleaning out the fridge. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. We're doing the middle? Alright, so we got some Denny's pancakes.
Oh my god. You could see the most front. Hold on.
Don't open that. Oh, don't open that. Please.
Damn, Denny's, they pack.
Oh, fuck. Oh, it actually got. Oh.
Oh, those are mine. They're actually pretty good.
Oh, that shit has mold. Oh, you're gross. Why are you touching it?
Bro, it's a brick.
Oh, you're fucking gross.
Flip in between.
Oh, look at the fucking white shit.
Would y'all eat that? Be honest. Would y'all eat that shit? What is that?
This is our clickbait.
What is that?
That's our clickbait.
What
That's
is
what it
that?
is.
We are Venom.
Oh, what is this?
It's our fucking
Oh
clickbait.
my god, I thought I was gonna go crazy.
Oh, why am I touching this? Oh, why am I touching this?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. Oh. Hold on, let's get a clickbait. Alright, we're good. Oh! Oh!
Oh, holy shit.
Oh, fuck, I can't wash my hands through there.
Oh my god. Bro, what is that?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know, but it burns.
Bro, I've never seen something so nasty.
Oh, I didn't even want to smell it. I didn't even want to smell it. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Ooh, no. Oh, fuck no. That is... Alright, we're back after touching all that venom.
Oh my god. Bro! That shit done turned yellow.
Oh, it's kale, right?
No, that's celery.
Oh.
Oh, it's just dripping. God. We're like hood meals from TikTok.
Good meals. I think his fridge is better than ours.
Jesus.
We're back 3.0.
Damn. Bag.
Hey, we're on the last floor. Woo! There goes our whole fridge. Woo!
Now we have to show Freddie some blueberries and sauces.
Ah, let's go. We done. Not too bad. Not too bad. All we have left is sauces. Sauces.
Yeah. But our fridge is now clean.
Our fridge is now clean. Take a quick look. Fruit. I'm frozen. Oh, don't look at that.
What is the camera woman doing? Yo, stop looking at stuff.
Please make sure to like, follow, whatever y'all found this on. We're gonna go ahead and throw out the trash. Thank you for being a part of this video. And that's all we have for food for the rest of the year. Because we ain't got no money because we're broke college kids. And thank you for being a part of us. And And we'll see you in the next one. My name is Mark Play, and I'll see you in the brand new video. Thank you. Please stand by. Careful. Yeah. Oh, he sucks. Oh my. Oh, that shit's a snitch. Oh, no. You got the cheese time. Oh.
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas plays. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it.